quick short video on how to make your own custom speaker cables for any type of speaker. This is gonna be, sub $40 for maybe like 8 cables. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself some of these, which are Speak-On connectors. These are gonna be knockoffs of the high quality stuff, but I compared it to the real deal and it's like really insignificant in terms of quality, and maybe even the same exact thing. So get yourself some of these. I got 10 of them for like 20 bucks, $18. And then you can go to Home Depot and get whatever color extension cord you want. The thicker the better. The only thing is you have to make sure that you get extension cord. Here I got this 100-footer, which I'm gonna make a grip of wires with. I got this 100-footer for like 20 bucks, but you have to make sure that it's a 2-prong so that you get 2 thick 12-gauge wires. Otherwise, if you get 3-prong, they'll be thinner, and you don't want thinner cable, as it could cause overheating issues with high power amps. I wouldn't recommend this to do this with runs longer than, I would say, maybe 30-40 feet. Anything longer than that, you're gonna need thicker gauge wire. Also, the quality of the wire itself is pretty good. I'm gonna take one of these apart so you guys can see. So super easy. You just take it apart. I've put some shrink wrap on mine, and I've also gone ahead and soldered the tips of the wire just so that it's doesn't come apart later. That's not neither of those things are necessary. You can just straight plug and play, which is what I'm going to do with my next set of wires. This is really the best way to do it though. The cable itself is really indistinguishable from like any other type of cable. I would argue it's even better than cheap speaker cables. Definitely not better than live wire or some of these other cables though. Only tools you'll need, unless you want to do shrink wrapping and soldering, is a razor blade, some dikes or angle cutters, and a screwdriver. I have like just a torque wrench screwdriver here because I do bike stuff as well. But yeah, that's all you're gonna need. With the razor blade, you just cut away most of this material, the exterior protector. It's pretty thick stuff, so but be careful not to cut the contacts themselves. So you want something like this, short ends, so you can see the type of wire it is. Not bad. It's not the best, but it's not bad. Yeah, so let's go ahead and assemble this. So once you've got it slotted in, go ahead and tighten your screws. Making sure positives near the top of the large Speak-On pin, which is this bad boy right here. So there's a short and a thin and fat. So the fat is always positive. That's how I always know. So once you got it plugged in, you just reassemble everything. You're good to go. Line that up. Slide that through here. Screw this on. Nice and tight. There you go. Decent little Speak-On wire. It is crunching the wire there, so you will get some grip on that. Good to go.